Have you ever wondered what makes birds so fascinating? From their incredible ability to fly to their vibrant colors and unique calls, birds are some of nature's most remarkable creatures. In today's video, we'll explore the amazing world of birds and uncover some incredible facts that might just leave you in awe. Which of the following is true about birds? A. All birds can fly. B. Birds have hollow bones to help them fly. C. Birds communicate only through sound. Did you know bird feathers are engineering marvels? Feathers aren't just for flight, they help birds regulate their temperature, stay waterproof, and even attract mates with dazzling colors and patterns. Each feather is lightweight yet incredibly strong, allowing birds to glide gracefully through the skies. From the fluffy down feathers that keep them warm to the sleek flight feathers that power their wings, feathers are a key reason birds are such remarkable creatures. Birds have some of the most incredible adaptations in the animal kingdom. Their feathers aren't just for flying, they also provide warmth, camouflage, and even attract mates with bright colors. Some birds, like owls, have silent wings for stealthy hunting, while others, like hummingbirds, can hover in midair. Each species has evolved unique traits to survive in its environment. Let's take a closer look at some of the most amazing bird adaptations. Birds may not speak our language, but they are master communicators. They use songs, calls, and even body movements to send messages. Some birds, like parrots, can mimic human speech, while others, like ravens and crows, use complex vocalizations to talk to their flock. But sound isn't their only method. Many birds use colorful feathers and unique dances to attract mates or defend their territory. Let's dive into the fascinating ways birds communicate. Birds are some of the greatest travelers on Earth. Every year, millions of birds migrate across vast distances, flying thousands of miles to find food, escape harsh winters, and return to their breeding grounds. Some species, like the Arctic tern, travel over 2,500 miles in a single year, more than any other animal. But how do they know where to go? Birds use the sun, stars, and even Earth's magnetic field to navigate their way across continents. Let's explore the incredible journey of bird migration. Birds aren't just beautiful creatures. They play a vital role in nature. From pollinating plants to controlling insect populations, birds help keep ecosystems balanced. Some birds, like hummingbirds, spread pollen as they sip nectar, while others, like owls and hawks, keep rodent populations in check. Even scavengers, like vultures, help clean up the environment by eating carrion. Without birds, ecosystems would look very different. Let's take a closer look at how birds help keep nature thriving. Birds face many challenges in the wild. Habitat destruction, climate change, and pollution have put many species at risk. Some birds, like the California condor and kakapo, have nearly gone extinct, but conservation efforts are helping to bring them back. From protecting natural habitats to reducing plastic waste, small actions can make a big difference in saving these incredible creatures. Let's explore how we can help birds thrive. Birds are expert builders. From tiny woven nests to massive tree platforms, birds use different materials and techniques to create safe spaces for their eggs and young. Some birds, like the weaver bird, intricately weave grass and twigs into hanging nests, while others, like eagles, build large sturdy structures high up in trees or cliffs. Even birds like penguins, which don't have trees, carefully arrange pebbles to form their nests. But why do birds build such different types of nests? Let's explore the fascinating world of bird architecture. Raising baby birds is no easy task. Some parent birds work tirelessly to feed, protect, and teach their chicks how to survive in the wild. Many birds, like robins and bluebirds, bring food to their hungry chicks every few minutes, while others, like penguins, take turns keeping their eggs warm in freezing temperatures. Some bird species, like owls, even train their young to hunt before they leave the nest. Every bird parent has its own unique way of caring for its young. Let's take a closer look at how birds raise the next generation. Raising the next generation is a crucial part of a bird's life. Many bird parents work tirelessly to protect, feed, and teach their young. Some species, like robins and bluebirds, make endless trips to bring food to their hungry chicks, while penguins take turns keeping their eggs warm in freezing conditions. Raptors, like eagles and owls, even train their young how to hunt before they leave the nest. Each bird species has a unique way of raising its young, but one thing remains the same. Parent birds go to great lengths to ensure their chicks survive. Let's take a closer look at how birds raise the next generation. Birds don't just sing, they dance too. Some birds perform elaborate dances to attract mates, defend their territory, or even bond with their flock. The magnificent riflebird flaps its wings in mesmerizing patterns, while the western grebe glides across the water in a synchronized ballet. Even flamingos perform coordinated group dances. These displays are not just for show, they're an important part of bird survival. Let's explore the fascinating world of dancing birds. Birds don't just see the world like we do, they have supervision. Many birds can see in ultraviolet light, allowing them to spot food, predators, and even hidden markings on other birds that are invisible to humans. Raptors, like hawks and eagles, have some of the sharpest eyesight in the animal kingdom, capable of spotting prey from miles away. Meanwhile, owls have specialized night vision, helping them hunt in complete darkness. Let's take a closer look at how birds see the world in ways we can't. Birds aren't just great at flying, they're incredibly smart too. Some birds, like crows and ravens, can use tools, solve puzzles, and even recognize human faces. Parrots have been known to mimic speech with meaning, while pigeons can remember locations and navigate across long distances. The New Caledonian crow is even capable of making its own tools to get food. Intelligence in birds goes far beyond instinct. Let's take a closer look at some of the smartest birds in the animal kingdom. Birds can be found in almost every corner of the planet, from icy tundras to scorching deserts. But how do they survive in such extreme environments? Penguins have thick layers of blubber and tightly packed feathers to stay warm in freezing temperatures, while desert birds, like the roadrunner, conserve water and stay active during cooler parts of the day. Some birds, like the alpine chough, can fly at extreme altitudes where oxygen levels are low. Penguins have far more IMO bases in their bodies, which separate them from whales and adapt to the weather. No matter where they live, birds have incredible adaptations to survive even the harshest conditions. Speed isn't just for land animals. Some birds are built for incredible speed. The peregrine falcon holds the record for the fastest animal on Earth, reaching speeds of over 240 mph when diving for prey. But it's not the only fast bird. Swift flyers like the common swift can stay in the air for months without landing, and the gray-headed albatross can glide across oceans at speeds of nearly 80 mph, whether soaring through the skies or diving at lightning speed. These birds prove that flight is the ultimate adaptation for speed. Birds are truly fascinating creatures, from their unique adaptations to their essential role in ecosystems. Whether they soar high in the sky, swim through icy waters, or run across open plains, birds continue to amaze us with their incredible diversity. Now, remember our question from earlier? The answer is B. Birds have hollow bones to help them fly. While not all birds take to the skies, their lightweight skeletons are a key adaptation for those that do. What's your favorite bird? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode of Animal Wonder. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.